How can we use the earth science reference table to find the dew point? So first we need to do is take a look at the dry bulb and wet bulb temperature. Dry bulb temperature is 20 degrees and the wet bulb 8. So how do we find the difference? We're going to subtract 8 from 20. The answer, of course, is 12, and 12 is our difference. So now how do we get the dew point? So let's take a look on page 12 of our earth science reference table, and I can see that on the left column we have the dry bulb temperature. And when we work our way down, and I can see that 20 right here, this is going to be our starting point. And I know that the difference is 12, so I'm going to look back up at the top, and I see that 12 is right here, and then I'm going to work my way down. And I can see that when I work my way across from 20 and 12, that the answer is -10. There we go. That is our dew point in Celsius.